Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, The Token Trackers. In this video we're going to be discussing something very crucial about the Synindra project. Therefore, I'm going to term this particular video a must watch for anybody participating in the Synindra project, because in this video we are going to be touching a lot of things. We are going to be touching about why the claiming has not been proactive. We are going to be talking about, most importantly, about the banning of accounts. A lot of people's account has been banned in the past 3 months, and more are still going to come. Some people don't even know that their accounts are gone. They don't really know. Some people's tokens are disappearing, and so many things like that. So we are going to be touching so many things in this particular video. So it is a must watch if you are participating in this project, and you need to pay keen attention to follow every single thing that I'm about to share with you, so that you can position right. Therefore guys, before we go into that, if you're new into my YouTube channel, or if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So coming to X right here, there is this update is shared by the Synindra DEX, and you can see that they said here, attention please, Synindra, they tag the official account of the Synindra. So if you click on it, you can see it. So they tag it, say Synindra reduced users accounts from 14.4 million in the community down to 10.5 million. So which therefore means that the community, the total number of users that have been mining the Synindra, or that have registered an account with Synindra, they were 14.4 million people, and Synindra has reduced that number to just 10.5 million. That means that about 3.9 accounts were removed within less than 3 months. Removed to where? Removed, it means that those account has been disqualified, they have been terminated, so they cannot be part of those who are going to benefit from this project and from the huge profits that this project is targeting. Now, what are the reasons? They said we are being accused of multiple accounts or more than one verified account using the same ID card, which means that most people that have gotten banned are actually, some of them are actually people that have gotten the KYC already. They have gotten the KYC, they have verified the account, they have passed, they have thought that okay, everything, all we have passed, we are ready to book profits. So Synindra has still banned them. Why? Because they have used a singular ID card on multiple accounts, on more than one account. The number of users who completed KYC was around 1.2 million, which has now increased slightly to about 1.3 million users. So this is the number of people that have completed KYC. Out of these, you get it. So now they continue, and they said, so out of the total 10.5 million community members, only about 1.3 million have completed the KYC worldwide. This means that only about 12% of the community are verified users. So only 12%. The rest 80 something percent have not, around 88 have not passed the KYC verification. And believe me, even when Synindra will list, it's not everybody that will do KYC before Synindra lists. Synindra will list when a lot of people have not still done their KYC. It happened to Pi, and it will still continue to happen to a lot of projects. Now look at this. See, active wallets reportedly increased from just 23k to 9.8 million. Wow, look at that. This is on the Synindra DEX that they are talking about. They say this is seen as a strong sign that our Synindra DEX is attracting more users for trading, which is why active wallets have increased. Exactly what I mentioned. However, those who made claims within 24 hours were not more than about 420k, meaning over 800k ST, that is the Synindra tokens, were claimed out of the out of the 10.5 million community. I want you to pay keen attention to the analytics that are going on here. They say the low daily claim activities is happening because the claim network has been restricted and they are rolling it out by region. Now, I told you this project is not just a project of anyhow. This is an Islamic coin. So some countries are restricting based on, because it is a religion coin, there are some rules they play by, they play with, that some regions do not approve it. So some regions are restricting it, and because of that you discover that some things are going that are not really okay. Now look at what they said there. Sometimes they pause access for about 2 days in some regions and then open it for others. That is why you discover that some people, they will say, okay, I claim Synindra for a week, so the remaining 2-3 days or the next week it was not claiming. So this is the reason. This is what has been going on. So sometimes they pause it in some regions and then give to some regions. So some regions will be claiming without any issues. So if any day that you claim Synindra and you did not claim, just know that that is what has happened. Because I've noticed it from my community. Most time that I hear members from my community who are Nigerians complaining that they can't claim Synindra. Me too. It will be difficult for me to claim. I just noticed that, and this seems like what he's saying here is actually true. So now look at this. See, that is why active miners cannot exceed about 500k in 24 hours at the moment, because what they are distributing is currently limited. Guys, I want you to pay keen attention. Did you hear what they just said here? Say only about 5, which means that out of the 10.5 million users in every 24 hours, mostly it is just about 500k people, 500,000 people that are going to be able to actually claim the Synindra token. Since everybody is claiming 2.2, they are trying to control the supply. This is one of the things. So which means that in every 24 hours, if there are 500k claiming 2.2, it means that for every single 24 hours, about 1 million Synindra tokens are being claimed. This is because what they are distributing is currently limited. So that is, they are trying to control the supply. See, it is no longer like before when everyone could claim freely. It means that before it was free. So now they are reducing supply, reducing everything, upgrading their apps. So what do you think that they are preparing now? Is definitely the listing guys. Well, look at this. They say, for example, in Africa, claims are possible in some days, but in places like Asia, e.g. Pakistan, users are complaining because access is restricted. Will likely extend access to those regions in the coming days. So which means that the Synindra team is working on extending access to those that are from countries such as Pakistan and West Asia. So that is it. So which means that you should position yourself right, and then anytime you see that it is claiming, be actively claiming, because a time will come that you will not be able to, that's a mark, in fact, you will not be able to have the access to claim again. They are controlling the supply. And for those of you who have not done your KYC, look at the small number that has done the KYC. Oh guys, don't joke with this. Don't joke with this. If you have not done your KYC, go to the comment section of this video. You are going to see a link to my Telegram. You will click on it, you will head over to my Telegram, and then you tell me there that, or just right there, I want to do my Synindra KYC. Of course, I always respond. If you don't want to write, once you join, just go to the pin post, then read the information there, do what that post says you should do, and you will come back and say thank you, the token trackers, you helped me got my Synindra KYC. So that's it guys, and I just thought of sharing it with you in this particular video. Before I go, if you are new, don't forget to hit the subscription button, also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.